Bhagavad Gita 1.4 Atra Sura Mahavs by Marjana Salma Yudi Yudano Vira Ca Drupadaska Maratha translates to, here are the brave and mighty warriors, in battle equal to Bhima and Arjuna, Yudana, Virata, and Drupada, the great warriors. The phrase comes from the Mahabharata, the Sanskrit epic poem. It is describing the Pandava and Kaurava armies, which are preparing to battle for control of the kingdom of Hastinapura. The first part of the phrase, Atra Sura Mahavs, means, here are the brave and mighty warriors. The word Atra means here, Sura means brave, and Mahavs means mighty. The second part of the phrase, by Marjana Salma Yudi, means, in battle equal to Bhima and Arjuna. The word by Marjana is a compound of the names of the Pandava brothers Bhima and Arjuna. The word Salma means equal, and the word Yudi means in battle. The third part of the phrase, Yudano Vira Ca Drupadaska Maratha, means Yudana, Virata, and Drupada, the great warriors. The word Yudano is the nominative plural form of the word Yudana, which is the name of one of the Pandava brothers. The word Vira is the name of the king of Matsya, who was an ally of the Pandavas. The word Drupada is the name of the king of Panchala, who was also an ally of the Pandavas. The word Maratha means great warrior. In summary, the phrase Atra Sura Mahavs by Marjana Salma Yudi Yudano Vira Ca Drupadaska Maratha is a description of the Pandava and Kaurava armies, which are preparing to battle for control of the kingdom of Hastinapura. The phrase emphasizes the bravery and might of the warriors on both sides of the conflict.